Hey parents, welcome. It's Miss Nobles. Today I just wanted to walk you through Schoology to help better navigate how my page will work and how the courses work. So, when you first log on, you will see courses. You will see our homeroom and all our subjects that we have. Now, I have created a landing page in Homeroom. What a landing page is a one page where the students will go every single day and everything they need is on that page. So, for example, they will click on what day of the week it is. Say it's Monday under daily work. Let's click on Monday. I have linked it to each folder where their assignments will be for Monday for all subjects. So on Monday, we just have a welcome back video and a little bit about me. To go back, you would click Elementary Homeroom, and you would continue on. Let's try Tuesday. So Tuesday, here is all the assignments for Tuesday. I know it looks like a lot, but these are all the assignments they will need to complete for that day of the week. And again, they'll just go back and do the same thing each day. I wanted to do this to make this a little bit easier so there's not so many clicks for the students. Resources. This live meeting link will be where the students will click on this every day and it will take them to our live WebEx meetings. So when they click it, it'll take them to the website and they will click join. It also has our Seesaw, Clever, math tools, specials, which may include music, counseling, PE, different things right here, art. And then we have a peek at the week. A peek at the week will be just a schedule of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, what each day will look like and what they will complete in every subject. Daily schedule. This is just our schedule of when we will do lives, when students are expected to do their work, and other things. The buzz announcements. This is where they will click to watch the live buzz at 8:15 every day. Underneath here we have a student brain break room. Now, we all need brain breaks, and even if we were in school, we would be taking breaks because let's just face it, our brains need a break. So what the students will do, they would be able to choose any of these. They would click on it, and it takes them to a PDF. Now, the PDF has links, and they would click the link that they wanted to do that day, and it will take them to the website. And then parent information. Here you'll find information, and this might be updated when we're provided with any kind of information that my parents need to know. I will try to update this daily. Now, these folders will be updated every Sunday with the new links for that new week. So this is the elementary homeroom page. Now, if you don't want to do that and you want your child to do each course by clicking on it, that's okay too. I've set that up too to where they're located under that week in the days of the week's folders. So that's another option. And right here, these also have links on them. Homeroom takes you back to the homeroom. Accelerated Reader, Clever, Get Epic, Seesaw. And I've done that for each course. So as you log on to each course, you'll see the different buttons and links available for your student. Now, if you have any more questions, please let me know. I hope this video was helpful. Do not be afraid to ask me any kind of question. We're in this together, and we're going to do it. We're going to have a great year.